Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com, and I want to show you this brand new product from BronCover. It is their new half top cover. So you probably saw this a couple weeks ago. We featured the prototype on the channel. We were up at the Bronco and Brews show in New Bern, North Carolina. We had a prototype on. This is the actual finished product, and from prototype to this one, they just made a few changes, added a little bit of fabric here and there, and the fit is absolutely perfect. So this is for you guys who like to just pull out those front and rear panels or any combination thereof, but leave your back top on as well as leave your doors on. So this, there you go, rain anxiety gone. You don't have to carry around that gigantic rear panel with you. Fits perfectly. Marine grade material, which is rubber backed, so you don't have to worry about leaks. Just put your tent pole in, that way any water sheds off of it. It's a fantastic American made product, and you can see it just fits perfectly. Follows the body lines, come around to the back. You can see fairly easy attachments. We just hooked it onto our tow hooks here, pull it down and around. Same thing there. Fits really, really nicely. So, really cool product. It's great to see an American company that innovates and comes out with products that people ask for. This was something that the people at BronCover told us that their customers kept asking for, so that's why they came up with this one. They have the flexibility because they're manufacturing these things locally here in South Carolina. They can just make changes as they need to satisfy their customers. So, great product, a great company. Love supporting American-made stuff. This thing was actually prototyped on my Bronco Raptor, so that's where I got the input on this. So, like I said, from that last video that we shot up in New Bern, they just few tweaks here and there, and it's perfect. So if you guys are interested in these things, check out BronCover.com. They have them available right now to order. So if you want to get in on one, I know they're running production right now, but who knows if they sell out. So I would get one as soon as possible if you're interested. And hopefully you guys found this video informative. If you did, please give us a like down there. It really helps these videos to like actually propagate through the YouTube atmosphere if we get some engagement. And maybe you'll help somebody prevent them from buying, you know, some communist-made Chinese tarp that they get on some random website when they could be supporting a good American company like BronCover. If you have any questions, please put them down below or head over to SVTPerformance.com. That's where I'm guaranteed to see it. I'll put a link in the description below for where we posted this video over there, and I will definitely answer you if you follow that link and post it over there. So yeah, that's where we have all the latest news, reviews, and information on your favorite Ford-powered vehicles, and I will see you guys next time.